Alright guys, I'm going to finish up that one that we were working on in class. So the next thing that I would do is cross multiply. So if I multiply across here and like fully multiply it, I'm going to have 32x minus 4. And then if we multiply across here on the other side of my equal sign now, I'm going to have 36x minus 12. Then we're just solving for x, so I feel like I would subtract the 32 and add the 12. And so I'd have 4x equals 8, so x is 2. Now you can make sure that this makes sense by plugging it in. So if I put it in right here, I'm going to have 16 minus 1 for 15. And up here, if I plug it in, I'll have 5. And then I could check to see that the proportions are right. And so if I try 15 over 12, that reduces, because 3 goes into both, 5 times on top and 4 times on bottom. And for the next one, it'll be 5 over 4 as well, so it all checks out. Okay, so if we tried another one like that, if we look at number 4 right next to it, if I choose to go with AB, and this is kind of the nice thing, you can write your fraction however you want. So I would write maybe y plus 1, which is side AB. That's going to match up with JK. So that's going to match up with JK, which is 8. Then on the other side, I have to write the same sort of fraction. So I came from the big shape first, so I pick from here again, and I go with the 3y plus 1. And that's got to match up with the other one, but just to be sure, like, that's side DC, so I'd have to go with ln, which is 20. Then we'd cross multiply again, so if I multiply across this way, like fully multiply, I'm going to get 24y plus 8. Then if I fully multiply this way on the other side of my equal sign now, I'll have 20y plus 20. Then we just want to get our y's together, so I'd subtract the 20y. And then get rid of the 8. So I'll have 4y equals 12. So y is 3. And then again, we could plug it back in and see that the proportion is right, but hopefully we trust it. Let's see. We could go back up. Let's try to do the rest of that one we didn't finish up here. So for number 3, find the value of each variable. So we had y being equal to 45, because I can tell up here that j matches up with w. Then if I look through this triangle, I can see that I'm supposed to find k as well, because that's where x is. So 4x plus 3, which is associated with the letter k, or the angle k, would match up with y, which is 71. Then I would just solve for x, so I'd subtract the 3. 4x equals 68. And then I would divide by 4. And 4 goes into 6 once with 2 left over, and into 28 is 7 times, so x is 17. Now the thing is, I could find z and l as well, because over here I can do the triangle sum theorem. So if I add those up, I'd have 116 plus z equals 180. And so if I subtract the 116, we'd have that z is 64, which then so would L be. So we could find all the angles in a triangle if we wanted to. Okay, but if we take a look at number 2 over here, if I'm trying to solve for the variables, if I look through, maybe I just want to solve for x first. So that's right here. We have x plus 34. Now with angles, they're different. They're not proportional. They're equal. So I would set this one equal to, now E matches up with R. So I would set that equal to, I think that's supposed to be a 97. My little eyes can't see. Yeah, 97 degrees. And so then I'd subtract the 34. And x is 63. Then I got to solve for y as well. Now y is over here on t, and t matches up with f. So I would go 3y minus 13 equals f, which is 98. So then I'd add the 13 because angles are equal. And I'd have 3y equals 111. Then I'd divide by 3. So y is, let's see, that's going to go into 11 3 times with 2 left over, so 37. Okay, so the big thing to remember here, like I said on the front, angles are equal, sides are proportional. You can set up your proportion however you want. I usually try to put variables on top and numbers on bottom, if I can. And then you got to write them all the same. So if you go with, this is the small shape, and this is the big shape, all of your fractions have to be small over big, small over big. So just be consistent. You got it.